I'm here with 3 amateur badminton players, and we're gonna see if they can survive one day of professional badminton training.
Burpees?
Yes. Okay, dude. We're gonna get kicked out. Okay, so this is how it works. I've been trained in multiple countries and with different teams. Today, what we're gonna follow is more similar to the Chinese provincial team. It's broken down into multiple sections in one day. In the morning, we start at 6 a.m. and that is with running. But obviously, we're not gonna run here, so we're just gonna do physical instead. Okay?
Okay.
All right. The first one is we're gonna do fast feet for 30 seconds. And then I'll tell you before the next one starts. It's gonna be continuous 30 seconds for 5 to 6 things. All right. Ready? When I say go, we're gonna start fast feet, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Use your hips. Drive into the ground, drive into the ground. Activate the hips, not the toes. Use your hips. Is your hips going left and right? 10 more seconds. Okay, keep going, but the next one is gonna be burpees, okay? Keep going.
Burpees?
3, 2, 1, burpees, go! Don't worry, the next ones are easier. Up, don't look down when you're jumping, look up. Angie, look up. Come on, Joyce. Okay, 5 seconds, and the next one's gonna be lunge jumps, okay? Ready, switch, go. All the way. All the way.
Oh
Make sure you're 90.
It's bad.
Follow along at home. Okay, I'll cut it short for you guys. Keep going. Okay, next one is tuck jumps.
My legs are jello. I can't.
Oh my God. Okay, next one, jump rope, 50. If you can double, you do double. If you can, you do singles. Remember, this is 6 a.m. This is before breakfast. Franklin, you do doubles. Double? And then if you can't, do singles. What the? Angie, let's see yours. Doubles, try. Okay, let's just look at Joyce's.
Wait. I used to do doubles, actually.
Oh, really? Oh. Pretty good.
Oh, shit.
Now you can have a quick water break as your breakfast.
Oh.
You just started. They don't even know what's about to come. Okay, now that our morning training is done, it's time to move into our 9 a.m. training. So this is from 9 to 11 a.m. and it's on-court training, okay? So this is not the physical part, this is supposed to be the easy part. When we trained there for men's singles, we only did 2 drills. One was smash drop net and one was full court rally. Because we're 3 people today, we're gonna do 1v2, okay? So who wants to start? Joyce, you start. Okay. So let's start with the first drill, which is smash drop net. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
I thought it's only.
You guys suck ass. Do you know what feeding means? I feel like she knows more about badminton than you guys. Oh my God. Don't make mistakes. Last one. Obviously, they suck at this drill. Dude, you're not playing doubles. Serve short. Bro. Can't watch this. Should we watch Angie? Okay, switch. Okay.
I feel like coach is mad.
Next one is full court clear drop. Okay, only full corner shots. No dying. Okay, sure, mistakes, push-ups, okay.
Why
Each
would you say
mistake's
that?
5 push-ups. If you kill them, that's your mistake.
What the fuck?
Push-ups, quick, 5. Yeah, that's what they need. They need punishment. That's not a mistake.
Oh, that's for you.
Nice. Come on. Nice. Hit something else. Stop lifting. Okay, good. Yes, but safe. Good. Very good. Come on, keep it up. Keep it up. Get it.
I'm so fucking fat. I'm fat. I'm fat.
Not bad. Okay, switch.
If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below who you want us to make a video with next. And make sure to join our YouTube memberships for exclusive content, access to our Discord, and so much more. Now, back to the video.
Yes, nice. Okay, keep it up. Play more aggressively, but with no mistakes, and don't kill. Just get higher positions. Nice. Oh, pretty good, Franklin. Oh, yeah. Okay, switch. No mistakes. Just hit it over. Yes, play safe. Safe. Good. Come on, over. Yes. Oh, pretty good. Yes.
What?
Go.
Oh my God.
Get it. Not bad. Control. Yes, control. Pretty good.
Guys, I can't believe professionals train like this every single day. This is really insane. And if
Morning on-court training is done. So in the afternoons, two things happen. Either we play soccer or we do multi.
soccer.
Not today, we're doing multi. Okay, are we ready? Multis, we break it into three main ones. Smash, kill, defense, and scramble. Frank, can you start? Okay. Okay. Come on, what are you doing? Be more in position for the smash. Be more in position. Okay, switch. Angie.
Oh my God.
Get in position. What the? Get in position more. Yeah, that's not a kill. Oh, what the hell? TechJoyce, you ready?
Oh gosh.
You guys are only doing one set. We're supposed to do like, I don't know, like 10 sets. Okay, stay in position. Stay in position. Okay, good. Come on. Now it's defense, okay? So defense, it can be at the front, smashes, or over to the back. So be very prepared. Ready? Okay. What the hell? Dude, this is, you can get these. Come on. Oh my God, did you hit one? Dude, that's not even fast. I'm not even standing on a bench. Oh, not bad. Oh. 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 Oh.
Wait,
Oh. That's effort. A+. Okay. Nice. Come on. Come on. Attempt.
my legs are jello.
What the hell? You
I
just
swear to
let
God,
it
my
go.
legs are jello. I can't move.
Come on, your legs are jello. Last four. Last four. Come on. Come on. Come on. Your legs are jello. So we just finished dinner. Now it's time for skills. Hit 2 net shots to demonstrate your skills. Actually, why don't we do a quick net shot battle? Like control it. Okay, 1-0. Ooh, 1-1, okay. Hit it lower, control it. Like let it drop lower and control it. Like play with the bird. Okay. Ooh. 1-0. 2-0. 3-0. All right. TechJoyce. Ooh. Oh, you got me. 1-0. What? No. Okay, I'm gonna come back. There's no way. Okay, 1-2. 2-2. No deuce. All right, let's take it home. Oh,
okay,
there we go. So, 7 to 9 p.m. was our skills session. It is now 9 p.m. What do you think happens?
Casino.
All right, games. Casino? Yeah. It is actually game time. All right, what's your game of choice?
Clash Royale.
Huh?
Roblox.
Fortnite.
Fortnite.